Hello. So, Dunkin, West Coast Dunkin. You got the ghost pepper donut. Let's give it a shot. Smells like a donut. It's good. Sweet. Not much of a kick. There's a little back end. Ooh, there's growing heat. Nothing crazy. Strawberry glazed donut. Don't even really get any of the ghost pepper flavor. There's a little smokiness, but that's about it. Need some hot sauce. Hot sauce. Let's give it a zip. See what really happens. Oh yeah. That's how you make a spicy donut. That's actually really good. Damn. This is the mango ghost pepper hot sauce by Murph's out of Denver. That's good. Oh man, something else to put this on. Great. Yeah, so donut, not spicy. Tastes like a regular donut. Add the hot sauce to it. A little bit better. There you have it.